Hey, what is up guys? So in this video today, I'm not really gonna have a tutorial. I'm just gonna catch you guys up on something. So I have made IP tools. So we have a booter, an IP lookup, a pinger, port scanner, and a URL info grabber. Now if you don't know what any of these are, why are you on my YouTube channel? But so yeah, this is the booter. And it's called Joker, but you put in your IP address, and you put in your port, and it just floods it with packets after it loads. But yeah, we also have IP lookup and stuff like that. So if you guys want to know how to install, you go over here to my link tree. Link will be in the description, and you install your Python version, whatever bit you want, and then you go to and then you click on this and download the file. And then open the file and run the .bat. Well, open the folder and run the .bat. And then boom, you're done. Bye, guys.